Looking for the best rear dash cam in 2026? In this video, we break down the top 10 rear dash cams across every budget, from affordable kits to premium 4K systems with GPS, Wi-Fi, and even 360-degree coverage. If you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or off-road adventurer, there's a cam on this list for you, so you can pick the one that's right for you. Let's get into it. Number 1. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam kicks off our list as an absolute powerhouse. It shoots 4K resolution up front and 1080 pixels in the rear, powered by the legendary Sony Starvis 2 sensor for jaw-dropping night footage. With Wi-Fi and GPS built right in, managing your footage is effortless. It also supports up to 512 GB of storage, which is practically unheard of at this price point. Parking mode and loop recording make sure you're always covered, day or night. If you want the best image quality money can buy in a dual cam, this is it. A top-tier pick for serious drivers. Next up, we have the E-YEEGER Dual Dash Cam, and this one is all about value. You get 2.5K front and 1080 pixels rear recording with a wide 170-degree field of view, all at a budget-friendly price. It even comes with a pre-installed SD card, so you can literally plug it in and start recording. The built-in G sensor automatically saves footage when it detects a collision, and parking mode keeps an eye on your car when you're away. The setup is dead simple, making it perfect for first-time dash cam buyers. Honestly, for the price, it's hard to beat. A fantastic budget-friendly kit. Coming in at number 3 is the REDTIGER dash camera, and this thing shines, literally. It records in 4K front and 1080 pixels rear with enhanced HDR night vision that delivers seriously clear footage after dark. The built-in GPS logs your route and speed automatically with every recording. Wi-Fi app control makes it super easy to review clips right from your phone, and it supports up to 256 GB of storage. The 170-degree wide angle means you'll catch everything happening around your vehicle. If night driving is your main concern, this is the cam to beat. Strong night clarity all the way. Number 4. 70mm M310 Dash Cam. The 70mm M310 takes a different approach, sleek, smart, and single channel. It records at a crisp 1296 pixels resolution with a 130-degree field of view, and the companion app makes adjusting settings a total breeze. The standout here is the ADAS alert system, which warns you about lane departures and forward collisions in real time. The design is compact and nearly invisible on your windshield, which a lot of drivers really appreciate. Loop recording keeps your storage clean without any manual effort. If you want a minimalist, smart single cam that just works, the 70mm M310 is a no-brainer. Number 5. AZDOME M01 Dual Dash Cam. Moving on to number 5. The AZDOME M01 Dual Dash Cam, built for drivers who need extra durability. The biggest differentiator here is the waterproof rear camera, which is a game changer if you drive a truck, sport utility vehicle, or off-road vehicle. It records 1080 pixels on both channels with a generous 170-degree field of view. Parking mode and a reliable G sensor round out the feature set, giving you solid all-around protection. Installation is straightforward, and the waterproof rear cam means you won't have to worry about rain or car washes damaging it. For outdoor enthusiasts and truck drivers, this is the one. Waterproof durability that others simply don't offer. At number 6, the TERUNSOUl Dash Cam proves you don't have to spend big to get 4K front recording. Paired with 1080 pixels in the rear and a 170-degree wide angle, the footage quality is genuinely impressive for the asking price. It even includes an SD card in the box, ready to record right out of the gate. Loop recording and a G sensor are both on board, meaning your best footage is always protected and your storage never fills up. The 4K resolution at this price point is honestly shocking. You'd expect to pay a lot more for this quality. A high-res budget option that punches well above its weight class. Number 7. Vantrue E1 Lite Dash Cam. Halfway through our list, meet the Vantrue E1 Lite. Small body, big performance. It records at 2.7K with a 160-degree field of view, all packed into a sleek cylindrical design that barely takes up any windshield space. Voice control lets you start recording, take photos, or lock clips without touching the camera at all. The build quality here is noticeably premium. This feels like a product that was designed with real care. Parking mode adds 24-hour protection even when the engine is off. If you want a compact cam with a high-end feel and smart features, the Vantrue E1 Lite is a class act. Number 8. WOLFBOX G840S Dash Cam. Number 8 flips the script entirely. The WOLFBOX G840S is a mirror dash cam that completely replaces your standard rearview mirror. The full touchscreen mirror display shows your backup camera feed live, making reversing dramatically safer. It records 2.5K front and 1080 pixels rear with built-in night vision. The 170-degree wide-angle and backup camera combo gives you a full picture of what's around your vehicle at all times. Setup takes a bit more time than a standard cam, but the upgrade is absolutely worth it. For anyone who wants a total rear-view upgrade, the WOLFBOX G840S is in a category of its own. Mirror-style display done right. Almost at the finish line. Number 9 is the Pelsi P1 Duo Dash Cam, and it's loaded with smart features. You get 4K front and 1080 pixels rear recording with GPS, Wi-Fi, and voice control all built in. A genuinely premium package. The 170-degree field of view captures every angle around your vehicle with ease. 24-hour parking mode monitoring means your car is being watched even when you're nowhere near it, using the GPS to log any incidents with location data. It's the kind of dash cam that feels like it was built for tech-savvy drivers who want it all. A smart, voice-controlled powerhouse. One of the most feature-packed picks on this list. Closing out our list is the most unique option of the bunch, the NATOSO 360-degree dash cam. This triple-channel system covers front, cabin, and rear simultaneously, giving you a true 360-degree view of everything happening around and inside your vehicle. It's perfect for rideshare drivers, parents with young passengers, or anyone who wants zero blind spots. At 1080 pixels across all 3 channels, the footage is clean and usable for insurance or legal purposes. Parking mode and a G sensor round out the package, keeping you protected around the clock. If full coverage is what you're after, the NATOSO 360 degrees is truly in a league of its own. 360-degree protection, inside and out. And that's a wrap on the best rear dash cams of 2026. If I had to pick 2 standouts, the ROVE R2 4K is the best for pure image quality, while the WOLFBOX G840S wins for total rear-view innovation. Check the links in the description to grab your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.